How to always show meeting controls on Zoom for Windows. Sometimes meetings control on Zoom for Windows disappears. If you are not paying attention, it might be possible that you leave your microphone on mute or on the talk mode and say something that is not okay. This option will make that the meetings control be available all time. To do this, just open Zoom. You need to have an account on Zoom to set up these settings. So log in with your account on Zoom like I have here. Click on the settings page. If you do not see this button, click on the profile icon and from the menu select settings. On this page we have an option, always show meeting controls. To be sure you always show meeting controls, select this box. Now you can start your meeting or join one. Meetings control will be on for the full time. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.